Brief accurate in important news of today's Wednesday. Acting Minister of Foreign Affairs Maulavi Amir Khan Muttaqi visited the Norwegian Chargé d'Affaires for Afghanistan. He said the Norwegian Chargé d'Affaires has praised the achievement of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan in the areas of strengthening security, monetary stability, serious fight against drugs, and improving human conditions in Afghanistan. The deputy spokesman of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, Bilal Karimi, said in a special interview with the national television, last year around 5,000 scholars, influential people and philanthropists of the country declared their full support for the Islamic Emirate. An agreement for attracting investors and developing the Herat-Khaf Railway was signed between the Afghanistan National Railway Administration and the high-level delegation of Iran. Acting Minister of Higher Education said at the National Natural Science Symposium of host Sheikh Zayed University, Muslims and non-Muslims agree that the development of the world depends on knowledge. Police have arrested 7 people in Nangarhar with a large amount of drugs and 4 people in Serpul province in connection with the sale of these items. Also, police have diverted the drug fields in Narh district of the Maidan Wardak province. A gas tanker was prevented from burning at Islam Kala border customs by the Custom Protection and Special Operation Executive Unit. In a meeting with a member of the 6th Military Battalion of the Ministry of Internal Affairs, the members of the Academic Board of the Department of the Ministry for the Propagation of the Virtue and the Prevention of Vice said every corrective action is based on the order of the leadership for the stability and survival of the system. We did not want to accept personal demands on people in this regard.